Okay, so in this video we're going to look at how to use Google's keyword planner to give some structure to your keyword research. So first of all, here's where we would go, adwords.google.co.uk/keyword planner, and then we will sign in with our normal Google password. So we can go to any of these three, but we're going to use this one first. Search for your new keywords, and in our example we're going to do some research on our business for walking boots. So we'll type in walking boots and then get ideas. Now the screen now has three sections. One is the original parameters that we've entered. So we're saying here that we want to look at the volumes for the United Kingdom using all languages, using Google as the search engine. The middle section shows us the volumes and a range of keywords here. Okie doke. And on the right hand side, this is the tool that we're actually going to use to give our research some structure. Now here it's saying that our plan is empty. Basically we can start adding groups over here to record the keywords against. So we can either start with an empty group, or we can choose one of the keywords that we have. So one of our first keywords is walking boots. So we're going to add it to a plan. Now at this stage we can add any number of these keywords into that one plan, or we can decide that a keyword here is actually a negative keyword, and then we're going to add it into a negative keyword plan over here. Now at this stage this is just for our information. We can actually download this plan once we've finished it, and we can revise it in a spreadsheet. But it's a really good way of structuring the research in quite a logical, orderly manner, and it can be a very useful thing. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to agree with walking boots. We'll have those in there. We'll have hiking boots as well as a keyword. We'll add that to this particular plan. Now then, in my particular instance, for example, I'm not going to want to sell hiking shoes or walking shoes. We're going to stick in this particular campaign with boots. However, if I did also sell hiking shoes, I would create another ad group for that. So what we can do on this right hand side is we can add a new group called walking shoes. And whichever one of these is highlighted, when we click add to plan, it will go into the highlighted ad group. So what we're going to do in here in walking shoes, we're going to put them in our walking shoes campaign. Best walking shoes, yeah, I'm going to put that in there as well. And if you notice, once I add the keyword to an ad group, the keyword disappears. So at least we know that we've dealt with it. Walking shoes for women. Right, okay, what I want to do is I want to do a particular campaign for women. So I'm going to create a new ad group called Walking Shoes Women. And I'm going to put that one in there. So I'm going to go through here. So this one here, best hiking boots. I'm going to go to walking boots there and add it to that one. Men's walking boots, I'm going to have another one for walking boots men. So I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to have another one for walking boots women. So I'm going to put that in there. Ladies walking boots in there. Hiking sandals. I don't actually sell hiking sandals. So I'm going to create a campaign, an ad group, sorry, called negative words. Obviously we're not going to run a campaign on this, but it will help us remember the kind of negative words that we need to include in our campaigns going forward. So hiking boots for men, I'm going to put that in there. Walking shoes women, I'm going to put that in there. Walking shoes women. Walking boots sale, I'm going to put that in there. But again, I could have another ad group that was walking boots sale. Yeah, best walking boots, men's hiking boots, we're going to put that there. So I could go down this whole long list of keywords, and you can see they're all 2 to 3 words or their phrases, which are absolutely fantastic. And we can put each one of these keywords into an ad group. What we can do once we're finished is we can actually download this plan. So we're going to, on this occasion, save it as an Excel CSV, because we've found that that's the easiest to sort of model. And we're going to download it. So when I open it, we'll be able to see here that these are the ad groups, these are the keywords within those groups, and it gives us the average monthly searches, what our suggested bid should be, and what the competition is, etc, etc. So there you go, a really good example of how to use Google's keyword planner to just get your thoughts into some sort of order. It will certainly help you determine what keywords you want to use. It will help you structure your keywords into relevant ad groups, and then you can start thinking about very specific ads for each one of those ad groups. So there you go, I hope it's helped. Again, as always, if you have any questions with these kind of things, just come back to us by sending us an email or get in touch with us via the website.